Hi, thank you very much for taking your time to watch my video. So please, before you continue to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. So today I'm going to show you how to actually change your default apps or default programs in Windows 10. So let's say you are trying to open internet to open a browser, and all the time when you try to open a specific browser, it goes to like you is just trying to use the Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome instead of using Firefox. Or you want to open an email, it's trying to open the email using the inbuilt mail that was inbuilt in Windows 10 instead of using Microsoft Outlook. So to actually change your default apps, so what you need to do first of all is to go to your start menu and type default. Here you see by typing the default, you just have the option the default apps. So you can click default apps here. And in default apps, you can see we have choose default app applications. So for example, I have the mail. So if, for example, I open Outlook and I want to actually open a new email or just double click on the email to actually send to reply to the user, it will actually go to use to open that mail using this mail option instead of using Outlook as my default. But here you can see that my default is not Outlook, but mail. So to actually change this, you just need to click Outlook and it will change. Say, well, it says try mail it's built for Windows 10 to help you, but let me just, well, just want to switch anyway to Outlook. And also we also have the same for the web browser. You can see for the web browser we have I have Firefox as my default apps. So if I click on the my file on Firefox here, you can see I have other options like Microsoft Edge, which of course for Windows 10 is recommended. I have the Google Chrome, I have Internet Explorer, I have the Opera Internet Browser. So, but I can decide to go for Microsoft Edge or I can leave it for Firefox. So we also have the same for some other apps. But we can as well decide to reset if I want. I can just click on the reset button, and here all the apps which will actually be reset back again to its default. So it's going to take some time. You can see it's being reset. Here you can see that it has been reset to Microsoft Edge, and as well my mail has been reset from Outlook to mail again. So I'm just going to change this to Firefox as well. So it has been changed. So if you think that the app you are trying to actually reset is not here, we have some other option as well. So we can decide to set default by app or just to choose default application by file type. So let me just try to choose default application by file type. So here we see we have a lot of options of file type we can choose as well. Like for the photos, for example, I can choose say look for if I don't have any other options to actually open photos, I can decide to look for that in Microsoft Store as well. So we have some other options here we can actually change. You can see we have like access, we have scroll down, we have the Windows Media Player. So we have some other options you can actually decide if you think that the app is not opening the right, it's not using the right app to open the file, you can decide to choose a different app from here. So let me just go back. So we have the same option by set default by apps as well. You can see by set by default apps, you see we have the different apps as well. So for example, let me just click on Firefox and click manage. And here you see we have for HTML or HTML of HTML5, we have the Firefox. So let me just choose Firefox. Here you can see I can decide to choose a different like Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome as well for my default HTML file. So for the PDF, you can see if I try to open PDF, it's going to open that actually in Microsoft Edge. So I can decide to actually open it in Acrobat instead of using the Microsoft Edge to open my PDF file. So the PDF file, which means that is from the internet as well. So this is actually how you change your default apps to a different app if you think you are getting it using using a different application than the required one you prefer to actually choose yourself. So thank you very much for taking your time to watch my video. And so please, if this video has been of any help to you, don't forget to just leave a comment, give me a like for taking my time to create this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's try and build up my channel. Let's get to like 2,000 subscribers and even more, which of course I will definitely appreciate that from you. So that's the only thing you can do for me for taking my time to create this video. So thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.